Hello there, and welcome to my podcast. This is a forecast for June 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising in Sagittarius. And for the month of June, we have here Queen of Cups. Okay, we have Five of Cups. We have Eight of Swords. We have Page of Wands. For romance, we have give your relationships a chance. We have attraction. And for career, we have Ace of Swords. We have King of Swords. Lots of swords there. Lots of learning with that. And we have Star. So right off the bat, June is a month which will be a mixed bag. There will be situations which might, demand emotional intelligence and learning. So you might feel like studying this particular month, maybe take up a new focus of studies. And some things may seem disappointing. You might feel a little claustrophobic in sitting at home, and you might feel that your situation is very stagnant and doesn't really change, and may bother you mentally. And maybe you are just too focusing on things that are not working out for you. While there is stuff that is coming your way, I see a lot of communication with friends, a lot of chances of some relationships as well, but mainly a lot of opportunities which are a little new to you, and you're learning from these life experiences. Just the problem is, if you may be disappointed by something, and that disappointment will just linger in your head and you will not move on from it. Try your best to use your intuition, study something. I feel this month is a good month for studying and use of intelligence. On the romance front, we have give your relationships a chance and attraction. So definitely it's calling upon singles to not just be by themselves, but give relationship a chance. Don't be too hesitant to get into relationships. Put yourself out there. If you're not going to put yourself out there, you're not going to get anything. So might as well go on to a dating app, might as well go on to a matrimonial site and put yourself out there, because there are chances that you could attract someone. You could get some attention that you've been wanting. And I know Sagittarius is one zodiac sign who loves attention, and they need a lot of egoistic pampering, but they need it. And so I suggest that you do something about yourself. Those who are already in relationships, focus on them a little more compared to your career. Maybe you're focusing too much on the career front and it's getting a bit boring. When it comes to work and finance, as I said, studies. You're going to have a moment in your life where you're going to have to think a lot. Your boss is going to be very demanding on you doing good analytical work, something very ingenious. You need to come up with ideas, something where you need to think at the spur of the moment. And I have no hesitation to say that you will be able to accomplish that. So do a lot of reading, read books, etc. Do a lot of debating with different people, because that's the only way you can understand two sides of a particular problem. Don't though your boss may be very strict at times, he may be taciturn and all, but the best way to handle him is with good sugarcoating. So be mellow as much as possible. The more you show your latent ingenuity, the more he will be impressed by you. We have the star at the end, so like things, if you have some wishful thinking, maybe that could materialize, and Financially also, star is also a good card. It takes time for it to actually manifest, might take some time for you to get what you want, but there is hope that things are going to be going well for you in this particular month. Just don't become too negative, focus on possibilities, and yes, keep reading, because if you read and you study something and you give your relationships a chance, this month could just be a good month. It has its flip sides, it has its positives. So take care and see you next time. Thank you.